Hi, Jason Mazzala here. I'm the Senior Manager of Restorations and Maintenance at FHCAM with another maintenance department update. We've been really busy this spring, and so I want to get you guys all up to speed on that. Currently you can hear some riveting going on in the background. On the aircraft side of things, we completed the annual inspections on the Zero Fighter and the Hawker Hurricane. We also made some repairs to the P-51 Mustang brake and fuel pump change, and have taxi tested all three aircraft, and they're now flight ready. From there we moved on to the beautiful Corsair that you see here behind me, and we're about 80% through the annual inspection now on that. Next, we'll shift over just to my right and start the F6F Hellcat inspection following the Corsair. On the armor side of things, we've done the annual inspection and test run, and yes, we do perform an annual inspection on all of the vehicles and tanks as well. It's just good practice, so we do that whether they've had a lot of drive time or not. And the Stewart is what we got through this month, and the US half-track in addition to that. As far as armor goes, next we'll concentrate on the M60. We've got several repairs lined up we'd like to make on it, including its annual inspection. So in between riveting of the JU-87 Stuka that you hear in the background, we're hard at it, and we'll see you guys next month.